Hi, what's up, Polygon holder? Polygon holder, this is very good video for all Polygon holder, because my brother, Polygon price will starting increasing. The profit is going to be positive now, my friend. You can see here the change occurring positive, and definitely, my friends, you can see here the price is also increasing now. So therefore, I am very happy, my friends, from Polygon coin, my friends. To this time, they will give us a very good profit now, my friend. And definitely, my friend, when a holder are starting selling, so the coin will fails down. But when a holder are starting holding, and absolutely they are starting investing, so the coin will completely go in the moon now. And therefore also, my friend, in this time, something like this condition now, Polygon holder, my friend, and definitely after a short fails, absolutely they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, my friend, I will give you 100% guarantee to after this short fails, they will take a very huge jump now, and they will completely give you 1.5 to 1.7 USD dollar, my friend. This is our possible and very huge target, but I hope they can easily hit this target now. What do you say? What's your opinion, my friend? What's your my friend, advice for all of us, my friends, to what we will need to do, my friend, in this time? My opinion is for all of you to please hold, and definitely if you are hold, so I hope they will give you a profit and you will also be safe from the lost. So thanks for watching, Polygon holder. Kindly like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.